So here is StubHub app. This is one of the top event ticketing apps. The easiest way to get into the hottest events: buy tickets with confidence, check the review before checking out, set an alert to score tickets in your price range, stay up to date, use your phone as your ticketing. So yeah, interesting app. There are a bunch of apps in this category like SeatGeek, Game Time is also like pretty good app, but this is just all these alternatives if you want to try it out. And these apps are just going back into the charts these days. People want to go back to all the events and concerts and performances and all of that. So then you just can discover all locations, or you can just filter like by a location. So something like that, and then you will just see the list of location, some tickets and all of that. Then you can just explore by type. You can see your tickets, you can create an account, you can also sell tickets, and then there is your profile. But yeah, you can also just sign in here to continue with Facebook or with Apple. So let's do that. And there you have it. Here is your account. You can tap on Jira, you can tap right. Reach out to help, to customer support. And that's basically it. So if you want to get something, you can see that there are no tickets. You can set up to get notified. You can select how many tickets. You can then filter by lowest price, select the ticket, and then just buy it. So like go to checkout, and that's it. So that's the idea. Hope it is helpful, and thank you for watching.